how to make payment voucher in QuickBooks. So if you are referring the payment voucher as a bill payment, here how you can do it. First you need to create a bill payment if you haven't done it. So just click on this new button and from there click on this pay bills option, and from there you have to fill the relevant details. So just select the payment account and the payment date and your starting check number, and then you just have to select the payment which you want to list it as a completed. So once you've selected, you need to click on this schedule payment option. But if you want to pay the payments immediately, you can change the payment date to the today. So just click on this icon and then select the date of today, and then you can simply pay the bills immediately. And after that, you just have created this bill payment or receipt. You just have to go back to your home page and then share that bill payment or payment voucher to your email or any other email that you want to transfer. But if you want, you can also customize the template of your payment voucher. So just click on this settings icon, and from here you have to click on this custom form styles, and from here click on this new style and select your bill payment as a template and then add it to your template. After you have customized it, you need to access the bill payment. So just go to the expenses option, then from here again you have to click on this expenses option. Now on the screen you have to click on this drop down menu or this all transaction option, and from here you have to select this bill payment option, and you will be able to see all of your bill payments. Now from here you have to select the bill payment that you want to print. So just click on this checkbox right left to it, and then you can click on this send remittance option, and after that you just have to enter the subject and the message of your remittance, and once you have filled up this detail, click on this send button, and that's it. Your payment bill has been sent it to your appropriate customer. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.